Okay, so I've gotten a lot of questions about my diet plan, you know, what I'm eating, stuff like that. So in today's video, we're gonna address some of those. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you want to see, leave it in the comment section down below. And give this video a big thumbs up. It will certainly help out the channel. All right, so I have some updates. I'm super excited. I did have a talk with my doctor. As you know, the original doctor had the wrong weight on file. Not her fault. You know, we did everything over the phone. It happens. So I got the new doctor. And I talked to the insurance company, and they actually let the new doctor send in the amendment. So I am back on my Wegovy. I just started my 2.4 injection yesterday, and I'm feeling great. Now, I get a lot of questions. Do you get side effects? No, I don't get side effects. I haven't gotten any side effects. The only side effects that I've had are it actually does curb my appetite. I am an emotional eater. I'm a bored eater. I like food. I mean, you know, so anytime I'm upset, anytime I'm happy, anytime I'm anything, I tend to eat, and I always have to keep my hands and my mouth busy, so I eat, and most of the time it's sweets. So I have stopped doing that. I don't eat very many sweets anymore. I give myself one treat a day, and normally it is like a keto dessert or something like that. So that's been good. For the past 3 weeks, I have started eating differently, which is one of the main questions I get asked. Have you changed the way you were eating? At first, no, I didn't. And within the first 3 months, I still lost 17 pounds. I would like to accelerate that. I know that it's absolutely necessary for my body to be healthy, for me to eat better. So I have decided that I was going to change the way I eat. Now, every time I do this, you know, the family does it with me. But they don't always like the foods. Like, I have children that don't like squash. And most of the time they eat it anyway because, you know, vegetables are good for you. But they still don't like it. You know, they don't like ground turkey or any of that. And the way that I make it, most of the time they're like, ooh, this is better than we thought. But I didn't want to have to fight with them over it. So I had decided to go a different way. So this video is not sponsored, by the way. I did reach out to the company to kind of let them know that I was going to be doing a video or kind of like a review, but they never got back with me, which is fine. So Vector, if you're watching, but no, this video is not sponsored. I do purchase my meals every week, and I have been doing so for the past 3 weeks with good results, and that's why I am bringing it to our table, because I don't like to bring things to the table that don't benefit everybody. So I did get my Factor box today, and I figured that we'd go through that as well. That way you can kind of see what it comes with and what it looks like. Okay, so let me back y'all up a little bit. This is my Factor box. This is what I've been getting weekly. Now they have different meal plans. You could get like 4 meals for $69.99. That's with the meals for $60 plus shipping. 6 meals for $77 plus the shipping. 8 meals for $99 plus shipping, 10 meals for $119.90 plus shipping, 12 meals a week for $138 plus shipping, and 18 meals for $198 plus shipping. Now they offer different plans. They offer Chef's Choice, Keto, Calorie Smart, and Vegan. Mine is on keto, of course. I get the 12 meals a week. But I add 2 to it, and for some reason you can't add to it on the app. So what I've been doing is I've been going through the website and adding 2 extra meals to it. That way I get 14, and then in the morning I drink a keto shake. So mine run with the 2 meals plus shipping and everything, it runs me about $160 something, like 160 or like 167, we'll say. And I get to go through and I get to pick my keto meals. So that's been helping a lot. So let's open this. And they get delivered straight to my door. I don't have any issues with deliveries or anything like that. And I'll leave a link in the description down below if y'all want to try them out and order them. Like I said, they have anywhere from 4 to 18 meals. I fortunately only need 14, so I just do the 12 meals and then add 2 more. And we're not sponsored or anything, but we like to stay healthy, and I just figured, you know, I really like this, so I would like to share it with y'all. They sent me an envelope full of goodies. It's like a wine certificate and stuff like that, you know, kind of like they do in some places. All right, so it comes very insulated with some paper, and then it comes with ice packs. So ice pack. Welcome to Factor. You know, you get your meal kit. You get to pick your meals. You warm it up in 2 minutes. It keeps everything fresh, and then you can add the add-ins and stuff like that if you want. Me, I just do the lunch and dinner meals. I haven't tried any of the shakes. If y'all are interested in me trying the shakes, let me know, and I will try some of those for you. Okay, so let's look at our meal lineup. Today we got keto ranch chicken. And they come like this. They're grass fed, they're pasture raised, and no antibiotic or hormones, no refined sugars, and preservative and non-GMO. Preservative free and non-GMO. So, I mean, it's just very healthy all around. And so I got 2 of the keto ranch chickens. I got creamy Parmesan chicken. I got 2 of those. I got herb crusted chicken. I'm excited about that one. I've gotten keto chorizo chili. This one is absolutely delicious. That is like one of my favorite meals that they got, is the keto chili. I got the creamy tomato and herb turkey ragu. I've never tried that one. That was actually new to our menu this week. So I'm excited to try that one. And then we got jalapeno popper burger. That's really good and really spicy. If you like spicy stuff, it's absolutely great. The spicy turkey poblano, that's a medium heat. It's pretty good. It's not really that spicy. And then we got, that's it. So I got, pretty much I got 2 of each meal that I had mentioned, because I like to, and they come with these recyclable plastic packs. They have like that gel, that foaming gel that comes in it, so you can recycle those, or freeze them and use them again. That's what I've been doing. But everything is recycled. Everything is, as you can see, grass-fed, pasture-free, and super yummy. Even I've had my husband try these, and he was amazed by the quality of them. They're absolutely delicious. So I have been doing Factor. It's my new little secret. Well, I guess it's not a secret no more. But that was the one that I had told you, let me wait a couple weeks before I bring it to the table, because it's really good and they really help. So between this and my Wegovy, I have high hopes, and I think that we are going to get the healthier we have ever been in 2022, and I'm excited about that. I do plan on starting working out. Probably won't be real soon because, you know, I am a busy woman, but I do plan on it. So I'm hoping within the next few weeks I can start making, or not few weeks, but in the next few months I can start making that change. Because a lot of y'all may know this, but I used to work out every day. I would skip maybe Sunday every once in a while, but mainly I would work out every day. And I want to get back into that routine. Like I said, I want 2022 to be the healthiest year that I ever have. So I'm super excited. So let me know what changes y'all are making in y'all's life to help y'all's Wegovy along the way. Let me know what diet changes y'all are making, and I'm just so excited that y'all are with me on this journey, and I am excited that they had got to get me approved, that we're on our way to a healthier new us. And I did go ahead and weigh in for y'all this week, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert that in here. Alrighty, here we go. $200.4. As you can see, I am at 200.4, which isn't like I was at 199, but it is in the middle of the day too. So as you know, whenever you get up and going, gravity takes a hold, you eat, stuff like that. So a lot of things, that's why I tend to weigh early in the morning, but we're still there. We're still at 200.4. When I stepped on the scale for y'all, I was like, oh no, because I was so excited that I had hit 199.8. And to me, that's like a big feat because, I haven't been 199.8 in a long time. But we are going to get lower than that. Our goal weight is at least 160. So I'm hoping that we can get there within the next couple months would be nice. I can't promise anything, but we have high hopes here. So hopefully I can get there. That's only 40 pounds. It's not a whole lot, but it took me 3 months to lose 17. So hopefully with my eating better and my regular activity, I walk at least, and I've averaged it out 11,000 steps in a day. That's average for me, is 11,000. My dietitian, whenever I went to get the gastric bypass, said 10,000 and like what they hope for, but most people get around 6,000. I average 11, so hopefully that's helping me. What else? We got a lot of things going here at the home, and I plan to keep y'all updated on that. I will be doing videos on some of the updates we're doing to our land and stuff like that, so look forward to that. But all in all, we're excited. We're excited to be starting this new meal kit. These make it so much easier. I come home, we feed the kids. I pop my food in the microwave for 2 minutes. If you got a low-powered microwave, probably about 233. And that's perfect. They taste great. Even the fish, I had some of the salmon, and I was like, ew, any microwave salmon I've ever had was nasty. Like, microwave fish, right? No, this tasted like it was just cooked. It was not overdone. It was not soggy, anything like that. It tasted like it was just cooked. You can also do them in the oven. They have oven instructions, so if you're not too hot on the microwave, that's understandable. We had a thing whenever I was younger. Everybody was, they had, their theories about microwave and radiation. So, if you don't like the microwave for whatever reason, you can put it in the oven. But yeah, I was really surprised by this one. And when I noticed that it was helping me stay in ketosis, my blood sugars are looking a lot better. My blood pressures are looking a lot better. It made me happier. So that's today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope to see y'all next week. Y'all have a great week. Bye.